Playtime with Daisy. Are you ready? Go! Come here. Drop here. Here. Drop it, Daisy. Alright. Are you ready? Come here, Day. Here. Here. Drop it. Here. Drop it. Alright. Come here. Quick. Here. Drop it. Alright. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Day. Here, Daddy. Here. Release. Alright. Are you ready? Come on, hurry up. Here. Here. Day, here. Drop it. Come on. Here. Daisy here. Day here. Okay, sit. Daisy, sit. Are you tired? Sit. Daisy, sit. Sit, Daisy. Release. Release. Are you ready? Pagod na si Daisy. Pagod na ang daling Daisy ko. Release. Release. Daisy, drop it. Okay, last two, okay? Last two, yeah? Come here, darling. Drop it. Oh. Ate ni Daisy. Come here. Here. Drop it. Drop it. One more. Come here. Last. Then rest. Okay? Drop it. Drop it, Day. Okay, last. Come here. Come here. No need to drop. Come here, Daddy. Come, Auntie Carrie. Auntie Carrie. Okay. Oh, napagod na ang Daisy ko. Napagod si Daisy. Guys, si Daisy napagod. Hello. Hello, guys. Welcome to Auntie Lynn's channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My auntie's channel, Lynn Classic Vlog. See you on her next vlog. Bye.
Ready? Gustong-gusto ni Daisy, guys, maglaro. Come here, darling. Come here. Come here, Daisy. Daisy here. Daisy, drop it. Drop it. Good girl. Are you ready? Are you ready? Come, quickly. Quick. Here, Daisy. Drop it. Drop it. All right. Good girl. Two and last, okay? Oops! Failed. Sorry. Ah! Ayun na si Daisy, oh. Last na paglalaro na natin, Daisy. Tomorrow, Auntie Lynn is leaving. Oh, hello, darling Day. Auntie Lynn will going to miss you. I will miss you, baby. Give me shake. Give Auntie Lynn a shake. Oh, look. Are you going to miss Auntie Lynn? Give me shake. Give Auntie Lynn shake. Oh, tingnan nyo naman ang Day ko. Malungkot siya, guys. Napagod ang bebe ko na yan. Napagod ang bebe ko na yan. No? Napagod yan. Wawa naman ang Day ni Auntie Lynn. Napagod. Pagod ka? Ha? Napagod ba ang bebe ko? Wawa naman ang Day ko. Napagod. It's alright. It's alright. Do you want to have your dinner now? Huh? Rest first, okay? And then after, I'll give you your dinner, okay? Napagod ba ikaw? Napagod ba ang day-day ni Auntie? Wow, naman, napagod. Did you enjoy your playing, day-day? Nice, right? Pero napagod ikaw, Daisy. Napagod ba ang baby day-day na yan? Ang cute-cute naman ng Daisy ni Auntie Lynn eh. Ang cute-cute naman eh. Bagong paligo yung baby ko na yan eh, no? No, Day-Day? Cute ikaw? Cute, give Auntie Lynn a shake? Give Auntie shake? Give Auntie shake? Give Auntie shake, come on. Sige na, give Auntie shake. Oh, pagod talaga siya. Napagod talaga ang baby Day-Day ko. Sobrang pagod niya, guys. Ang tagal kasi naming naglaro. Hiningal siya talaga eh, oh. Hingal na hingal ang Daisy. Dati, to si Daisy, pag hawak ko ang telepono, guys, ayaw niyang humarap. Ngayon, no, siguro sabi niya, sige, pagbibigyan ko ng auntie ko kasi last day na. So, harap na ako ng harap sa telepono niya. Ano to eh, camera siya itong aso na to eh. Diba, Day? Day, look at me. Maldita pa yan. Napaka-maldita niyan. Day. Maldita. Sino maldita? Si Daisy. Sino naughtiness? Si Day. Sinong napagod? Napagod ikaw, baby ko. Napagod ba ang bebe ko? Wawa naman ang bebe ni Auntie. Napagod yan. Napagod ba ikaw? Ganda-ganda yan ni Day eh. Oh, ganda yan. Sino maganda? Si Daisy. Sino love ni Auntie Lynn? Si Day.